Hi guys, today I'm unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 256 gigabytes in the black colour. So this is the box that it came in from Apple. As you can see, I'm just struggling to open the box. But I just went away and got the box open, and there's the iPhone box. I must say, year on year, the boxes are getting slimmer. Not necessarily a bad thing. I get that they're trying to reduce their environmental impact, but it's still rather annoying that the iPhone does not ship with a power adapter, meaning that you have to buy a new one, or you can just use the old one that you've already got. So, just having an initial look at the box. I'm also testing out my new DJI Osmo 6, and I'm recording on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's just get the seals open, which is always a very satisfying part of an unboxing. So we've got that open now, just zooming out there, and that's the first look at the device. I must say it's a very nice colour, and I'm glad that I opted for the black. I've been on different colour iPhones for a few years now actually, and I decided it's time to go back to a black colour. So inside the box is pretty simple, charging wire with the SIM ejector tool and some documentation. And you'll notice with this year's iPhone there's no stickers provided in the box. Again, I never really use those stickers, so I'm not too fussed. But back to the phone here, and again, another satisfying part of the process is peeling off the screen sticker. So I'm just peeling off the screen sticker here, and it's such a fresh and clean device, and it's going to get covered in fingerprints, as it always happens. But yeah, just showing the sides. There's the new camera control button, which I will be testing later on. But I just thought that I'd share this unboxing with you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe.